Having the ability to conveniently rest can make an outing more enjoyable and last longer. Drive Medical's Sling seat cane provides you or your loved one with a comfortable, stable solution. When closed, the cane stands 34 inches tall, providing a sturdy walking support to increase mobility. The foam grip handle provides comfort. When opened, this Sling seat sits 22 inches from the floor to provide a comfortable seat for resting. The foam grip handles on both sides offer additional support to help the user sit and stand more easily. The proper way to sit on the seat is to grip the handle, position it between your legs, and ease down onto the seat. To ensure safety, the back handle should not be used for back support. This strong aluminum bronze tubing and 4 sturdy legs can solidly support a weight capacity of 250 pounds, but because it weighs only 2.4 pounds, it's incredibly convenient to transport wherever and whenever you need. You can always count on Drive Medical to bring you convenient and innovative lifestyle solutions, now and for the road ahead.